Okay, yung video kong 'to, yung pinost ko kumakain ako ng McDo, hindi iced coffee yung iniinom ko dun. Kasi parang most of the comments or like halos comments ay iced coffee or like coffee, about coffee. Hindi yun coffee, hindi yun iced coffee. Smoothie ata yun, mango strawberry smoothie. Pero sasagutin na rin natin if pwede bang magkape ang buntis. So based on my research, and magtanong rin kayo sa inyong doctor or OB. So kanya-kanya naman tayo ng preferences. Everything is okay as long as may moderation, no? Ang coffee, ang pagkakaalam ko, 1 cup a day, 1 or 1.5 cup, 1 or 1.5 cup a day or 200 ml maximum ata ng coffee na safe kapag you're pregnant. Depende naman sa inyo. Kung matitiis nyo walang coffee a day, that's very good. If hindi naman, yun lang yung limit natin na